Hey, designers, in the last video we made this abstract shape. If you haven't seen the video, click on the link shown above. Let's create a pattern for this shape now. Group it. And scale it down. Make a copy of it. Scale it up a bit. Now select both. Group them. Go to Window. Pattern Options. Make Pattern. OK. I'll select Hex by column. Now adjust position. Let's copy it, scale it down. Adjust it. Done. Remove them now. Make a square. Your pattern will be available on the swatches panel. Click on it to fill it here. Perfect. Like this video and subscribe to my channel.